One way to make the most of your meeting room or classroom potential is by implementing the best interactive display. This device is powerful enough to bring a complete collaboration and interaction experience for all participants. Not only that, it can even encourage users to share their ideas with others. In our video today, we have made a list of the top 5 best interactive display that you can use to collaborate with your team members. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Create and solve without limits with the Samsung Flip 3, which can transform the meeting room or classroom into an engaging learning environment. With immersive 4K touch technology, you can ideate and bring out your creativity. Also, it gives you a smooth and natural pen-to-paper writing experience, which is almost lag-free. Not only that, it can distinguish between inputs from thin and thick objects to simulate on-screen writing or highlighting. Need to erase something? Well, you can do that with your bare hands. To collaborate with others, the Flip 3 supports up to 4 devices simultaneously. However, collaboration has no limit because the display can handle up to 20 touches for productive group work. To improve engagement, the Flip 3 gives users the capability to open Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and many more. In short, the Samsung Flip 3 can provide you with boundless and versatile accessibility. Brainstorm and collaborate anytime, anywhere with the Vibe Smartboard Pro. Its 4K Ultra HD touchscreen display ensures accurate color and detail. With Intel Core i5 processor and 128GB of SSD, this is more powerful and convenient. The Smartboard Pro can allow you to create and collaborate with your remote team on your digital whiteboard from any device, anywhere in the world. You can even wirelessly bring your content to the Smartboard Pro from other devices or connect via HDMI so that you can take notes and annotate images or documents for better idea illustration. Besides, the whiteboard supports Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, WebEx, and other popular third-party video conferencing apps to make classroom or meeting rooms more interactive. Plus, you can draw at the same time with multiple team members because this display supports up to 20 touch points. For the most part, the Vibe Smartboard Pro can be an excellent one for your workspace. The AG Neovo Meetboard 3 can improve classroom and meeting room participation with easy-to-use apps as well as tools. It has a 4K resolution to give you clarity and crisp detail, and with various brush writing on the Meetboard 3, it's natural and user-friendly. Besides, the Smart Detection tool can recommend while writing or drawing something. Also, essential apps and helpful tools such as Browser, WPS Office, Screen Lock, and Timer are preloaded to aid productivity in meeting and classroom settings. Plus, multiple participants can simultaneously draw and annotate on the display because the Meetboard 3 supports up to 20 touch points. This feature can help the user to do mind mapping and brainstorming. Users can even use the split screen mode to enhance multitasking and utilize different apps simultaneously. In general, the AG Neovo Meetboard 3 can be a great addition to your classroom or meeting room with its performance. Meet D10D7, an all-in-one video conferencing solution for unparalleled collaborations. This device has a 4K resolution to let you see everything crystal clear. It even comes with a built-in wide-angle camera and microphone to give you a better meeting experience. Besides, AI-assisted audio and video technology eliminate distracting background noises. Moreover, the D7 supports responsive multi-touch to provide an intuitive user experience, and by connecting other devices wirelessly with it, you can share or ideate effortlessly. Plus, the digital whiteboard gives the user the capability to bring out their creativity. But the most important thing is that the D10D7 can be mounted on any wall pretty easily. Overall, the D10D7 is a decent interactive display that can ensure a seamless video conferencing system. Make your presentations more personal and take notes as you want with the Tyburn Interactive Whiteboard. It has 4K Ultra HD picture quality to deliver better delicate and visual enjoyment so that audiences get more engaged. This smart whiteboard enables remote presentations, allowing you to collaborate, create, and brainstorm with your team even if they're not in the same room. Also, it supports Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, WebEx, and other popular third-party video conferencing apps to make your meeting more convenient. Moreover, the interactive whiteboard comes with infrared induction technology and 2mm high-precision positioning, which can help this device to support up to 20-point touch writing. Not only that, it can even connect up to 4 users across the screen at the same time. Besides, its response time ensures the stylus to touchscreen experience is as natural and smooth as writing on a traditional whiteboard. For the most part, the Tyburn Interactive Whiteboard can meet your need for video conferencing, screen sharing, and annotations. So, that was all about the 5 best interactive display just for you. Which one do you like the most? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you find this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.